Hey everyone, Rob Wise Guy 82 here. We've got a comics and cards video this time. Very excited about this. Been waiting. I think I got this. I started it, so we're just gonna finish it. Early May, I feel like. Alright, there's two of them in here. Oh. Alright. So, first, this right here, you guys saw my variant of Straight Jacket, number 1. There's only 100 copies of it. This is volume 2 of Straight Jacket. You can kind of see they got two pictures sliced. Alex and then her brother is the red one. Kind of hard to tell, but it will be a little easier here in a minute because these are really freaking cool. So look. Boom. And that is way off. Look at that. Look at that on the bottom. Way off. But, so this is the two pictures. Actually, that might not be her brother. Those are the entities, I believe. It may be. Actually, no. That may be her brother. And again, like the other ones, guys, there's only 100 of these. If you look. Oh. Ah. There we go. There's her. And then. Boom. Thought that was so freaking cool. Had to have it. I don't know. You know, I know a lot of people don't read these books. They're from really small press. A lot of people can't get away from Marvel and DC. But man, I'm so happy that I found some of these books. I love it. Which one do I want to do? Yeah, only 100 copies. So cool. All right, now this started that. So I only got one more cut for this one. So this one I thought was something else. 2015 Panini Contenders baseball. Now, it didn't say hobby packs, but it also didn't say retail on it. It said foil packs. I didn't catch, and I didn't, nothing triggered anything, to question it. Until I I noticed on the hobby packs where it's 8 cards, and I just happened to see that on these they say 6 cards, so then I had to look into it and found out that in fact these were hobby packs, or I mean retail packs. But this will come in handy too, the box. I don't have one of those. So 1, 2, 8, 10. I was going to complain about it, but I figured there's still a chance. So let's just see what happens. I don't know. I didn't look into any odds or anything for the retail. Let's see, that was Taylor Ward, Rhett Wiseman, Ozzie Smith, Aristides, I don't know. Brandon Koch, Tyler Naquin. Alright, so let's see. Wish me luck, guys. I didn't open any, I didn't even plan on opening any of the retail packs of this, but there are still a couple boxes of this at my shop. This is Benintendi. Ooh, look at that. Walker Buehler, season ticket. Manuel Margot. School colors, Phil Brickford and Stephen Piscotty. Yeah, there's still a bunch of these at my shop. I still can't believe I pulled that Gleyber Torres 101 auto plate. Matter of fact, I got it sitting right here. Boom! Why don't we have him looking over? Do a little of the good. We got a couple other cards I'll put up in a second. Barry Larkin, seen him. Aaron Nola. Tyler Beede. Dylan Tate. AJ Reed. Richie Martin. Also, I am in love with this. This right here is my new favorite. Because I just love the... Ooh, there it is. That was good. Boom. On card, Craig Biggio. Jersey number 7/10. Couldn't believe it when I came across that. Freaking awesome. A little closer for those. Boom. Waited a long time for that one too. Another Benintendi. Andrew Suarez. DJ Peterson. Brecken Williams. Jeff Degano. Mikey White. And another Benintendi. I wonder, maybe I'll look after. I don't know if what kind of odds there were on these, the blasters these came out of. Rafael Palmeiro on the back. Paul Molitor. Matt Chapman. Carson Fulmer. Austin Rye. So nothing shiny, nothing yet. Let's see. Eric Fetty. Let's just go. Casey Houston, spelled a different way. Kyle J. There's my Bregman. Now we just need that signed. We're halfway there. Riley Farrell again. Paul Molitor again. Matt Chapman again. Class reunion, Garrett Clevenger. School colors, AJ Minter. And Piscotty. 3 more. Frehi Amor. Got a Roger Clemens. Whoa. Frank Thomas. I saw somebody pull an autograph out of a hobby pack. Dylan Tate. John Harris. Oh. Another Andrew Benintendi. Carson Fulmer. 2 more. Got a Mikey White. Corey Seager. That's a good one. Trey Turner. Sounds familiar. Yero Munoz. Brecken Williams. And then a different PC hit. Alex Bregman. Alright, so there we go. The next one's got to be an autograph then, right? That's how it works, isn't it? Alright, wish me luck. Last pack. And then Friday we'll have some more good stuff. Jeff Hendricks. Jake Lemoyne. Harrison Bader. Ian Happ. Rhett Lillack. And Dansby Swanson. That's it, guys. No autos, no shiny things. We'll leave it at that. That was fine. So if nothing else, what it taught me was to pay attention to the words. And so what does it even say? Like, people look on the back. Let me know, guys. Is there certain things, like, besides, you know, because these said foil pack on the listing. Are there any, you know, I don't want to say like I was tricked. Maybe it is like tricking somebody new. It got me, guys. Alright. That's cool. We got everybody. Dansby Swanson was the last card. We got everybody on the front of them. Carson Fulmer, Benintendi, Dansby, and then Alex Bregman. Alright. Very cool. So we'll leave it at that, guys. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, tell me about this, you know, making sure, or how, you know, how to pay attention more to the retail versus hobby. If I ever find another lot, they were selling these for lots of 10. So yeah, thanks for checking out the video, and until next time, peace, love, cards and comics this time. God bless.